Hello students, let's try to understand one problem. What is carry out the following converges? No, it is asked in the 2020 student. Okay, very recent problem. So ethanol to ethene. This reaction we have studied today only. Ethanol to ethene. So how we did student, when ethanol is heated with concentrated H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin, ethene is obtained due to dehydration of alcohol. That is what today we study. So here what this structure is student, that is CH3, that is CH2OH, and what you are taking student, that is concentrated H2SO4 student, temperature 443 Kelvin. So it is giving student CH2 double bond CH2 and plus H2O is getting released, right? So this is dehydration reaction student. Here see this is ethyl alcohol. So that is ethene plus water is releasing. This is what the first part of the question. Now let us try to understand the second part of the question student. What is the second? Ethanol to ethanoic acid. We have to convert. So how we can convert? By the oxidation student. See, that is the last class we studied student. When 5% alkaline KMnO4 solution is added to drop by drop to warm ethanol, then it get oxidized to ethanoic acid. So this we study student in the heading, that is oxidation reaction. If you keep in mind, oxidation reaction last class we study. So that is ethanol is there, and you know student, that is the two oxygen we use. So one oxygen, it is removing the hydrogen to form the water molecule, right? And another oxygen get added. So CH3COOH it is forming student. You can keep in mind. Let me try to write student. So suppose we are having CH2 and CH2, and this is going to be OH, and where we are taking O and O student, O plus O. So dear student, with this oxygen, here is the oxygen is water is removing H2O, and one oxygen is going to add it. See how it is going to add it. This is CH3, CH3, C, and this oxygen, new oxygen, and OH is already there. So that is carboxylic acid student. This is. Now the next one, let us try to understand what is the next one student. Differentiate between addition reaction and substitution reaction. Give one example of each student. So what is the difference between addition reaction, friend? Let's try to understand. Addition reaction means it that is the all the things get added student, right? So how it is going to be added? Those reactions in which atoms or group of atoms are simply added to a double or triple bond without the elimination of any atom or molecule are known as addition reaction. So here see student, this compound is there, you added two hydrogen are there, one hydrogen here, another hydrogen here. This we also study student, nickel or platinum catalyst. So what is the two? That is the unsaturated converted into saturated, you can see. Okay, so this is the hydrogen added student. Substitution reaction, the reaction in which involve the displacement or substitution of atom or group of atoms in an organic compound by another atoms or group of atom, known as substitution reaction. So today we study student, how we study, suppose CH4 is there, you are treating with the Cl2 in the presence of sunlight, dear student, sunlight. So what was happening student? CH3Cl plus HCl is. So this is the one hydrogen atom is substituted by chlorine atom. So this is what is substitution reaction. Thank you so much for watching, friends.